558.
Na initawag ay.
Video ko eh. Basta man, Mr. Driver. Okay ra? Goods?
Goods rang ganghaan.
Okay ra mo? Diha? Mga
Yes,
amigos?
I'm good.
I'm good.
We are good too.
Oh, hi.
Ay, yung tan-or ba si Kuan? Lady boss.
Hello, Lady Boss. I just want to say thank you for this kind of opportunity you gave me, and my life changed because of you. So, my speech is
Limited naman.
my speech is limited. I can speak very well in English, but I just want to say in my heart, deeply in my heart, thank you so much, and I love you.
We love you too.
Let's build our dreams come true together soon, finally.